Hello, in front of me I've got PS5. In this video I'll show you how to connect headset to PSVR2. In the beginning, let's take a look at the goggles. Right here on the bottom of this part that go behind your head, you've got the headphones jack and this port that is supposed to hold headphones. So firstly, let's plug the headphones to the headphones jack. And now let's push this part right here. And now the headset is connected to your Google's VR2. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.